In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a link to your YouTube video description. Okay, so once you're on YouTube, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just find a video really quickly. So if I just go ahead and tap on this video right here, and then I pause it, and then I'll go and tap on the drop down menu, you can see this channel has various links in their description. They have another YouTube link. Now to go ahead and add this link, what you need to do is you need to have the YouTube Studio app. So go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and type in YouTube YT Studio. It's this app right here. Go ahead and make sure that you have this installed. So I have it installed, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And then what you need to do from here is you need to find the video that you want to add the link to. So what you need to do is tap on the 3 horizontal stripes at the top left of the screen. Then you want to tap on videos, and I have a whole bunch of scheduled videos, so I'll just go to one that's live, like this one right here. So if I go ahead and tap on that video, you can see it has the thumbnail of the video at the top, and then it has a pencil icon. Go ahead, tap on the pencil icon, and then you can see it says title, and the one below that is the description. So go ahead and tap on the second option there with the pencil icon, and this is my video description, and you can see I have links in there. So those would be examples of links that you can go ahead and add. So if you have a Patreon, you can add your Patreon link. You want to link people to your Instagram, you want to link them to other videos, you can do that. So all you would need to do is copy that link to your phone's clipboard, come into here and then paste it in, just like I have, let's say, for example, with that Instagram link. But the most important thing you need to make sure of is that you have that HTTPS in the beginning with the colon and the / and then that's going to make the link clickable. If you don't have that, people aren't going to be able to click on the link. So just make sure you have that HTTPS : / and then your link, and then you'll be all good to go. So I hope this was able to help you out. If it did, drop a comment down below and like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my channel for more. Take care.